Hello there, welcome to Inquiring Minds. My name is Doug, and this is a Pen Resurrection Sunday shorty. I was going to publish the full review of this 1948 Parker 51 Vacumatic, but the restoration has been a little more challenging than I expected. And even though I've actually successfully completed the restoration of this pen, it didn't leave me enough time to film and edit the full video for today. So I thought I'd give you all a sneak peek at next Sunday's Pen Resurrection, and it will be a very special one because it will be Christmas morning. I'll be in my jammies opening presents with my family, but you can tune in and watch my restoration video. This is one of the most challenging and satisfying restorations I've done to date. I waited months to get the right tools, watched a ton of restoration videos, and read a lot of articles on the special needs of the Parker 51 Vacumatic. It took me a week just to get the hood off of this pen. And then I was faced with this incredible coagulated rubberized inky mess that was in the collector. But polishing the body and the cap, cleaning the nib, and the very complicated restoration of the Vacumatic pump was very successful, and I got the pen to write. I look forward to seeing you all on Christmas Day. And that reminds me, don't forget to watch my Diamine ink event calendar video on Christmas morning, because I not only show the ink for December 25th, I created a compilation video of all of the 25 ink swatches. Cheers and thanks for watching.
I made this.